So here we are in a 1930 foundation. Looks almost a little older than that. You can see that there is a stone foundation on the perimeter wall. You can see down below here. It looks more like something that was 1910, 1920. One of the problems we have in a home like this is that sometimes they'll take what was a crawl space and try to turn it into a basement. What that does is we compromise the outside footings, which is the case here. Footings have moved in, the house sank in the center on the front wall, and we've stabilized it. And the question in the real estate process is it structurally sound? Were the repairs satisfactory? End up with about a 4-foot wall here supporting the old foundation, which I'm going to go up and show you. But there's been a lot of movement. You can see the original center timber here. There's a 3-inch gap where they've leveled the floors up, shrinking down, and you can see also we've got some old 6-inch timbers mortised in, the wood is split,